chocolates.
This is not a jacket.
Just remove it.
It's a sweater.
Yeah.
I'm already done removing my jacket.
Good.
Oh my gosh.
Give me your hand.
Even I have another top.
You have to.
I'm going to put this. I can't.
Yes, put them on the table.
They're only four.
They're only four?
Yes.
Okay. Put it on that table.
This table. Chopping? He's chopping the knife now. Chop that knife.
So now, always have a place where you can put your dirt or trimmings when you're chopping. So I'm going to portion the pineapple.
Portion? What is
Portion is cut 1, 2, 3, 4 into 5
pieces?
Yeah.
So that you can cut
Yeah.
again into small pieces.
Yep.
Yay! I've never even cut anything in my whole life. Oh yes! My parents never let me to cut anything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that's why you're in cookery, because they want to see you doing something good.
Yes. They really love my. They want you to learn how to
This one.
cut. Yay!
This one is 1, 2, 3,
So you just cut up.
4. Now this is what you're going to do. You have your knife.
Yes.
You hold the pineapple. We are going to trim off the edges. We are going to trim off the yeah. Yes, you're going to trim off the edges.
I already cut the edges.
Yes, make sure don't cut yourself.
I can't.
And
My dad has been teaching me how to cut.
yeah, your dad is your dad a chef?
No, but he likes cooking.
He likes cooking.
Yeah. Try it.
We are trying to use this big knife. Yes. Try.
Oh my.
Let me show you. It's better when you do it on this side, okay? Just, yes. Cut the edge.
Almost done.
Yeah, you have never cut anything in your whole life, but
Yes.
when you finish here, you will know how to cut. Okay?
Even
Just
my dad
so
taught
like
me
this.
how to cook an egg.
I already cutted the old piece and little
Thank you.
left.
Thank you.
Okay.
No, I'm almost. I'm happy that I helped you.
Okay, now finish.
I'm not being helped. I'm like happy because I didn't teach how to cut
Continue.
everything. At everything. This pineapple is
Okay. Now you take the trimmings, put them in here first. Okay?
I'm almost done
Yeah.
with mine.
If just put the trimmings here first, and then you continue.
Sorry. It's okay. I'll show your hands. Just kidding.
Okay, nice one.
You're being cut.
You're doing good. You're doing good.
I'm putting the tubes and then I put them on the knife and then I.
Okay, give me my trimmings in.
I'm almost.
You're using the small knife. What?
Yes, me can use the small knife. Who needs my help?
Nobody.
Really?
Okay.
Nobody. Now we need to clean it. You're done.
Yeah.
You need to clean the,
No, you have to remove the.
Cairo, you're being cut.
yes, the black parts.
Because of my skin. I need to try now.
Yes.
The black part.
Yeah, the black parts.
Already
So if your hands are cut, you will feel it because the juices of the
my hand is already
Cut.
yeah, pen is already.
are you feeling
Pain.
pain?
Nope. How comes? Oh, it's true. When you cut yourself, I need help. Wait first.
Now somehow use this clean.
Yes.
So the rest. So this is how you do. You lift the chopping board in. Then you. Okay.
And what about the bad part?
I'm coming to help. Need help? Okay. So we clean the.
But now what can I do since the pineapple has a bad part?
Then lift the chopping board. Put it in. Okay. Get it.
Remove the bad part.
In the chopping board.
Just the tiny.
Good job. Yours, you have done a good job. I like
How
it.
comes?
I like it. I like it. Now. Okay, don't remove them. I will help you remove the bad part. Okay? Yes. Just trim
That's
it.
what you do.
Yeah. Trim it out. I'll do it for you. Okay?
You want to try?
You want to try?
Yes. Please. Where are you going to?
Good. Then cut here. Cut it. And eat. You're done. Okay, hold your pineapple like that. Just hold it. Remember to wash your hands every time you come to class. Now, in the middle of our pineapple, there is something that is hard. What's the name?
I don't know. The middle.
Yeah, the middle. It's a core. It's a core. So it's very hard. I want us to remove it so that our pineapple can have a hole. Okay, just look what I'm doing. Look at what I'm doing. You press the knife straight in. Round and round. Round and my core is out. Then after you finish removing the core, what do you do? Look at me.
I need help. Eat it.
Okay, remove the core. Use that knife. You how to hold a knife? Just like how you look at me. The way you hold a pencil or a pen is how you hold a knife. Don't hold the knife like this.
I need help.
So how to hold a knife? Just straight like how you hold a pencil. Okay?
I need help.
Take this knife. You need help? Where is your right hand? Use this hand. Yes, how you hold a pencil. Hold. Then you turn. Make sure you turn the pineapple round.
I need help. It's getting
Make sure
tricky.
the knife goes deep and deep. And here we are. We have our.
Eat it.
Yes.
Eat it. But no, it won't kill you. It won't kill you.
You don't eat pineapple?
Yes.
Are you allergic of pineapple? Are you sure?
Yes.
What happens to you if you eat a pineapple?
You'll get pimple.
You just don't like pineapple?
Look at me, mine. I
You
already
like it. The pineapple will be so yummy. It's out. Good girl. Good girl.
So I just eat it.
Yes. I'm coming to help you. Okay? Yeah.
No, you're going to cut yourself with that big knife. No, I won't. I'm careful. Finally. And I'm not sleeping. Just push it out. Like.
Yeah. Let me help.
Now the knife has
Good.
out. It's out.
Yeah. Good.
Eat
girl.
it.
Yeah.
It's hard.
Yeah, it's hard. So that's good for your health. That's good for your
Health.
fruits are good for your health. So now, who has ever seen a grilled pineapple?
Huh? A what?
Grilled pineapple. Do you know what is grilling?
No. Yes.
What is grilling?
Is when you're cooking But on a grill.
On a grill. Yeah. Now, like when you cook nyama choma, put your knife down. If you finish, you put your. So when you cook nyama choma, that is grilling. That is
Grilling.
yeah, or in the oven. That is grilling. Now, we will not grill, but we will pan fry. We will. So these are methods of cooking. Methods of.
Cooking.
So what do we pan fry? Like what do you? Yes.
Pan egg
Yes. We pan fry an
inside the
egg. Yeah, we pan fry an egg.
inside
So-
this hole.
Yeah. So we pan fry an egg. So the same way we pan fry an egg, we'll pan fry the
Pineapple.
we'll pan fry the.
Pineapple.
Then you will see the results. You will see the
Results.
after pan frying the pineapple,
We'll eat.
we'll eat. Yes. We in cookery we don't eat. We taste as chefs. So after pan frying the pineapple, that is number 1. That is number.
1.
Then number 2, we'll make pineapple fritters. Pineapple,
Is a fritter.
you will see now. That's what we are going to do. After we pan fry, we taste. So you will tell me the difference between a normal pineapple and a pan fried pineapple. Then after pan frying, we'll do pineapple fritters. Pineapple.
Fritter.
So are you ready?
Yes. So very ready.